Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, Tornado Dude 448 here. Welcome back to another video. This time it's a Monday night. This time it's a Monday night. I ran by Walmart. Got these three lovely beauties. These three lovely things. So that's why I have an unboxing, or should I say, unboxing. 3 of them to do tonight. I might or might not make this all one video. It depends on how much space my phone has. So first, I'm gonna start with the Midland WR-120EZ weather alert radio. They say early warning is your best protection. Yeah. Features include, Safety Made Simple certified, Public Alert certified, no weather radio, specific area message encoding, and Weather Radio Canada. I don't live in Canada. I live in the United States. Help keep your family safe. Package includes the radio itself, an AC power adapter, and an owner's manual. And it also says what this is in Espanol. So if you speak Spanish, you have a Spanish version of what the package includes. Features: receive alerts for only your local area with specific area message encoding or same technology. Alarm clock and weather radio in one. Terrorize during power outages with battery backup. Override automatically switches from standby to emergency alert. So without further waiting, and this stay in communication when power goes out. 3 AA batteries. So I got those 3 AA batteries right here on the box. And without further waiting, let's open the box. You can really see how excited I am to open this box. And we have, I'm going to shake everything out. This is the weather radio in the nice little snug bubble wrap. I'll take that out in a few seconds. The owner's manual, I already have like 3 or 4 of these. NSSA shelter. National Storm Shelter Association. Don't need that. Free weather app. I don't think I need that, since my phone does not support it. And this product guide. And it's like accordion style. And you can see Midland does more than just sell weather radios. They sell XTC cameras, 2-way radios, more 2-way radios, weather alert radios, emergency crank and CB and Bluetooth intercom system. Notice the Midland WR-100 is not on this since they've discontinued it forever. Oh, sorry, that was my watch. I deeply apologize for my watch beeping every hour. And then this goes away. So if I'm gonna find some scissors, these scissors I'm gonna use to open the bubble wrap. I don't want to scratch the radio. Actually, no. Let's skip the scissors, so I can just use this with my hand, brute force. Yeah, and then shake the weather radio out of that. And this is what it looks like, folks. I got this from Walmart for $32.88. So, yeah, pretty good radio. And it has those two little feet on the bottom, and two wall hangers. I'm not going to wall mount this. I'm going to use the feet instead. And then out comes the DC jack. It looks like this. Sorry if you can't read the Midland logo. I'm gonna unzip tie this. I'm going to try to make this as short as possible, because then I'm going to have two other unboxings to do tonight. It's currently 8:03 p.m. I go to bed in 57 minutes. I have to watch the news at 9. So yeah, I'm trying to make this as short as I possibly can here. I really wish I had a tripod. And now to insert the batteries. Alkaline only, not rechargeable. Alkaline only, no rechargeable, excuse me. Then we're going to pop this in. See if there's a lamp test. Yep, there we go. Lamp test. You see that says welcome. First thing it wants you to do is it wants you to set the language. I'm going to zoom in 1.5 times. So you can see it's a double beep when it's an invalid selection. Set language. I speak English. There's English, French, Spanish, French. I speak English. No. I'm from the United States. Set location. I'm like a weather alert fan, so I want it on all, obviously. Set the time. It is currently 8:05 p.m. And the last thing is going to do is set the channel.
Saturday night, possibly mixed with snow. Low in the lower 30s. Sunday and Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Blustery. High in the upper 30s. Low around 20.
And this is channel 4152.475. Covers my area. Setup done. Now I can take care of those annoying button beeps. The first thing is on the backlight, so you can see what I'm doing here. Set events. I want them all on, so I want them to catch the weekly. I want the weekly test on. So that way it doesn't say bad reception or check reception. Button beeps. I personally prefer them off, since I find them annoying. Set events. All on. I already took care of that. Backlight on. Set channel. Took care of that. Alert test. This is going to be, warning guys, this is going to be very loud. So if your speakers or headphones are on high, highly suggest you lower them. Oh crud, that was loud. Alert type. Well, I want it on display only until severe weather season, then I'll set it to voice, set location, all, language, English, alarm. And I want it set for no, not 6:50 a.m. 6:35 a.m. And then I'm gonna lower the antenna. That's the battery cover. And then I'm going to put those little feet up. And I'm going to plug this in. Oh, there's a cloning. And I got to show you the back. There's external. I'm going to show you the 4 jacks in the back. External antenna, cloning port, external alert, and power. And sure the switch is in the on position. I think I might keep that sticker on there. Actually, I'm going to remove one battery due to service ritual that every member of the EAS community does. So, we press every single button and switch every single switch to wish it good luck during its service. So this is not useful at all. Eight 10 p.m. I'm going to turn off the alarm. And the backlight to normal. And looks like this is it. Tornado Dude 448 here. Actually, I'm going to do a quick quality test of the weather radio I just got. Sorry if it may be black for a few seconds.
Thursday night, a chance of snow. Low around 16. Friday night, mostly